Welcome back to the channel. We did take a little bit of a break. We hope that you'll be okay with that. But we are back and we are ready to go for Christmas crafts. Today, of course, I have my mom with me and we have Bear. And on this episode of Craft With Us, we're gonna be showing you how to turn a glass light bulb from Hobby Lobby into an adorable snowman home decor piece. So stay tuned and we'll show you how we do it. So the items that you're gonna need to make this project are a light bulb glass piece from Hobby Lobby. This is the larger size. They do have a smaller one. These were $5.99 and this is the 29-ounce one.
We got it for 50% off.
Right,
too.
they had them on sale, which is why we went ahead and purchased it because we had this craft in mind when we were shopping. But they do retail for $5.99. You could probably catch them on a 50% or use your 40% off coupon to purchase this. So this is, again, the bigger one. The smaller one I think is about half the size with the little top part. Next thing you're going to need or want to have is they have some in the Christmas craft section. They have a snowman kit or little pieces that you can use to create a snowman. And so that is what we're going to be using. So we have the little top hat. Next one is the little carrot nose, also $1.99. And then the last piece that we got from the snowman kit section are these little black coal buttons. Hopefully you guys can kind of see them. They're super small, but these are also $1.99, but we got them at the half off sale. Next, you're going to need some sort of white acrylic paint or chalk paint, whatever you prefer. And then you're going to need some of the Christmas crafts snow. This one has the iridescent pieces in it, so it's got quite a bit of sparkle to it. I think they have ones that are like more foam like, but we went for the sparkly one. You could also use glitter if you wanted to use. This project is pretty up to you what you want to use to decorate it. The thing that we're hoping to use, we may or may not use, is some sort of string lights. So these are from the Dollar Tree and these are the Floral Garden silver wire LED lights. These ones look like this. So they are just little wire basically with lights on it, and then they have the battery pack. The other option is to use one of the traditional ones with the plug-in of the white Christmas lights. And then we also have a floral pick with some poinsettias on it, and then you'll need some sort of ribbon or fabric to use for a scarf. So we have this ribbon from I believe this came from Dollar Tree. It's kind of a plaid scarf looking ribbon. And then we also have this kind of rope trim. We'll see if we end up using it. So that is pretty much everything you're going to need. If you have any additional pieces you think that your snowman would benefit from, you could definitely use that as well. But we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Okay, we're gonna get started. We're gonna take this part off of the glass. And then we're gonna start painting it all white. And we'll be right back. And this is all painted white. So now we're gonna have to let it dry, and then we are going to work on the snowman hat. Right? We're putting glue on. Glue, and then you put it onto the white part, and then we're gonna start putting the snow stuff on with the glitter, and it looks like this.
All right, so in between hat making, painting, everything else, we decided that we're gonna go ahead and actually sprinkle snow on the bottom of the snowman. We're gonna go ahead and do that, and we'll show you how we do that, and we'll be right back. welcome back. So we are officially done with our snowman making for tonight. And here they are in all of their adorableness. Now, because they are so similar, I'll just go ahead and let Mom explain what we did.
Hey, we're back, and this is my snowman. And we glued the hat, and then we put the string around it and glued that on with a hot gun. And then we put like little snows on them. You glue it, and then you sprinkled on there. And then we glued the carrot. We glue round buttons. We have 2 eyes and 3 round buttons here, and then we did the scarf. And she did her scarf a little bit different than mine. I just went across like this. And then we put on these little things on the scarf. They're called fuzzy stuff. So we cut them maybe like a 1/2 inch, and then we put it all together, and then we glue them behind the scarf, and it looks like a real scarf.
The only real difference between the two is kind of just the scarf on them. So mine, I actually tied it around, and then I put a couple glue dots on it to hold the scarf down in the position that I wanted. So his kind of wraps around him, and then it has like these little bubbles on them to give it some life. Mom did a little bit on hers, but mine came out a little bit different. But other than that, they're pretty much very similar, or if not the same.
Yeah.
And then the ribbon that we use for the scarf is again that Dollar Tree ribbon. And this is a large or a wide ribbon. So what we did is we actually just cut it so that way we got 2 equal pieces, and it's about a 1 inch width on it now, which fit the snowmen a lot better than having that 2 inch width ribbon.
We really had a lot of fun making this. This was fun.
Yep, they turned out super cute. And again, if you want to put lights in them, you can. We ended up not putting the lights just because personal preference, but if you want to put lights in them, you definitely can. So that is this week's project. We hope you guys enjoyed, and we hope that you were inspired to create one of your own. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video, and we will see you guys next week. Bye.
Hold him. Yeah. I want to hold baby bear.
Okay.
All those birds.
They're gonna attack us.
No, they're not.
Ooh, like that movie with all those birds.
So small. Look, Bear, you can wear it. Look, you got a top hat on.
What?
It's funny.
Then we'll be right back.
Oh, we could make an avocado.
No.
We could make a penguin.
Yeah, either way.
5 balls. And then we put 3. 3.
They're starting it again.
That's the carrots.
Why show them a side view?